Hey tech enthusiasts, ever felt like your job could use a supercharged sidekick? Well, meet DeepSeek-R1, the AI friend you didn't know you needed. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, great, another AI to make me obsolete, hold on. DeepSeek-R1 isn't here to steal your job, it's here to help you ace it. Think of it as your new work BFF, minus the awkward coffee breaks. So, what's the deal with DeepSeek-R1? Imagine having a friend who's always got your back. Need to crunch data? Done. Want to automate those soul-sucking tasks? Easy peasy. Trying to decode why your cat judges you so hard? Okay, maybe not that, but it's pretty close. This AI tackles complex problems without breaking a sweat, or your brain. And here's the kicker, it's open source. That means it's free for you to tinker with, customize, and make your own. Think of it as a Lego set for tech nerds, except you don't have to worry about stepping on it in the middle of the night. Why should you care? Let's be real. Life's too short for repetitive tasks. DeepSeek-R1 handles the grunt work so you can focus on the fun stuff, like brainstorming your world domination plans or finally starting that podcast about your obsession with vintage toasters. Plus, it's super flexible. Whether you're a data scientist, a developer, or just someone who loves cool tech, DeepSeek-R1 has something for you. It's like the Swiss Army knife of AI tools, but without the risk of accidentally cutting yourself. Getting started is a breeze. Head over to the DeepSeek-R1 GitHub page and dive right in. The setup is so easy even your grandma could do it, if she's into AI that is. And if you're feeling fancy, you can customize it to fit your specific needs. Who knows? You might even impress your boss enough to get that promotion. So here's the bottom line, DeepSeek-R1 isn't just another AI tool, it's your ticket to working smarter, not harder. It's like having a personal assistant who doesn't complain about overtime or steal your snacks. What are you waiting for? Go check it out and let the AI magic begin. P.S. If you figure out how to make it explain your cat's judgmental stares, let us know. We're dying to know the answer.